Welcome to Ship Explorer. What if I told you that every year hundreds of ships vanish beneath the waves, swallowed by the very waters that once carried them? Have you ever wondered what causes these colossal vessels to sink? Join us as we embark on a journey through the wild seas, unraveling the mysteries behind shipwrecks and the dangers lurking beneath the surface. Let's take a moment to travel back in time to one fateful night in April 1912. The RMS Titanic, deemed unsinkable, set sail from Southampton on its maiden voyage. Passengers were filled with excitement, unaware that disaster was just hours away. As the ship sailed through icy waters, it struck an iceberg, leading to one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. But what caused such a tragedy? Was it merely bad luck, or were there deeper issues at play? To understand why ships sink, we need to explore the common causes. Let's start with one of the most notorious culprits, collisions. Ships can collide with other vessels, underwater obstacles, or even icebergs, leading to catastrophic damage and flooding. If water breaches the hull, it can lead to flooding and ultimately sinking, capsizing. Poor weight distribution or rough seas can cause a ship to capsize, Fires on board can be devastating, especially if they spread quickly. However, it's not just accidents that threaten ships. The ocean can be unpredictable, and navigating its dangers requires skill and knowledge, weather conditions. Rough seas and sudden storms can challenge even the most seasoned crews, making safety paramount. Mechanical failures. A single mechanical failure can leave a ship stranded, vulnerable to the elements. Human error. Mistakes happen. A lapse in judgment can have dire consequences, emphasizing the need for rigorous training and protocols. Let's not forget the stories of survival amidst loss. The sea can be both a grave and a savior. Countless lives have been saved by quick-thinking crews and effective rescue operations. Every shipwreck reminds us of the unpredictability of the ocean and the importance of preparedness. With all these dangers and challenges, the question remains, how can we safeguard our ships against the wild seas? Knowledge and respect for the ocean are our best tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.